Okay, and then I take my next job. And next job is in this our process is to remove this bonnet and hood lock. What's location is in here, this part, and next we take this part away, and there is 3 bolts what we have to open. And bonnet and hood lock removal, this is that part. Now we need 10mm socket and or spanner, and now I use a little bit bigger extension, and there is really 3 10mm bolts, and they looks like that, 10mm bolts, and now I have take already one away in here, second in here, and we can actually look even closer. There are those 1, 2, and in another side there's 1 bolt in that area. And now this bonnet and hood, this lock is free, and note that there is electric, this sensor that controls that is this bonnet open or close, and this is very nice. We can see this bonnet and hood back area, and there is really this steel cable, and when this part goes lock, like bonnet goes down in this way, this is quite hard this spring. Then we have to pull out this cable in that area, in some way, this area, and it opens this bonnet and hood lock. This blue one is this inner area, is this opening cable, and this is really warning sensor what tells if this Honda Civic's bonnet is open. Warning sensor.